Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews on the latest and greatest products. Today, we're diving into the world of nutrition with a spotlight on what's being hailed as the best fruit powder available in the market: Balance of Nature fruits and veggies. Now, if you're like me, you know the struggle of trying to get your daily dose of fruits and veggies in amidst the hustle and bustle of everyday life. That's where Balance of Nature swoops in to save the day. These aren't your average supplements, folks. Balance of Nature fruits and veggies is a whole food supplement packed with superfood fruits and vegetables, carefully crafted for women, men, and even kids. Just take a look at what's inside. Aloe vera, apple, banana, blueberry, cherry, cranberry, broccoli, cabbage, carrot, cauliflower, cayenne pepper, and more. It's like a farmer's market in a capsule. And here's the kicker. Balance of Nature uses advanced freeze-drying technology to lock in the maximum nutrient content. That means you're getting all the goodness of fresh produce without any of the hassle. Balance of Nature fruits and veggies is gluten-free, non-GMO, keto-friendly, and vegan. Plus, it's free from added sugars, fillers, and synthetics. Talk about pure, potent, plant power. So, if you're ready to take your nutrition game to the next level, click the link in the description below to get your hands on Balance of Nature fruits and veggies today. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews on products that'll make your life easier and healthier. Until next time, stay balanced.